Hey guys, and here I'm removing the tape transport from the Sony TC-K555ESA and looking onto the head, and as you may see it's badly rusty, and additionally it has wear. Alright, so I don't have other choice is to just go and let me see if I can do more light here. So you see how worn it is right here. That's the wear, and on this side as well. So all right, I will remove head, let's lap it, and let's see what we will get, because with these conditions there is no chance we will have a good results. See you soon. All right, and here is our head in better details. So as you may see, the wear is bad and it's not even, so probably don't allow to like tape to get close to the head on the right channel, because right channel in the middle and left channel behaves much better. All right, unfortunately during this procedure I would have to cut these bumps, like orange bumps, because they would be affecting where I will be working. But we should get a nice polished head after that. Yeah, you see it's not even right here, and right here there is rust, so probably that's the reason why it's behave like that. Let's see you soon. Okay everyone, this is how lappet head looks under the microscope. You may see that there is still like teeny scratches left, but they are so teeny that in reality you could not see them. It looks pretty mirror. All right, so now let's assemble it and let's see how it will perform. See you soon. And now guys, I will be filming a tuning process. So as you may see, I'm using the gauge to set the head height and tilt. So first of all we should go lower, and I will put specifically a little bit lower to allow some room to work on the tilt. Okay, when I'm working on the tilt, I'm looking to the distance between head and my pin, like stylus. Okay, so now I may see it's still a little bit too high, adjusting a little bit more. All right, so need to make sure that stylus will go quite easily. Again, adjusting the tilt. Come on. Like that. So stylus goes easily. We have tilt, and I believe we need lower azimuth, something like that. Now it's a little bit too low. I will release. Okay. Again, working on the tilt. Azimuth. So repeat this procedure unless the head will sit really well. Alright, here we go. All right. Now check yourself. How to make focus here on the head. So it goes here between guides. It goes in parallel to the head, right? And also we measure the height of the record head, so it's still a little bit too high, I believe. From this position I may see better. So the point is that tape should go on the lower edge of the working area. Okay, still a little bit off. Just like that. Alright, now we should be good. Sits really well. Alright, checking this guide by the way, and it sits too high. Really? Now it's good. Alright, a little bit high was. Alright, now we have everything set. We can rotate, see the head position in the working area, but I would need to use motor, connect it, and rise the heads up. Alright, so let me do it. Let me set like 6 volts. And connect the motor. Okay, opposite direction. Okay, heads up. Now we can check everything again one more time to make sure that it still works well. Still gets proper. And right here, yeah. Let's get right in. Alright. That's we completed setup. Okay, let me lower the heads back. Done. That would be it for this part. Now I have to connect this head. Wires right here, solder them and install it back, and let's listen. This transport has bells replaced, so I would not do it. See you soon. Okay, the last step after soldering before we will install tape transport is to measure that heads are properly connected. So this is playback heads. So this is one channel, 316 ohm, and the other channel, 321 ohm. Okay, good. And record head, one channel, 48 ohm, and another channel is 48 ohm. Okay, we good. Ready to assemble. Okay guys, playing the tape, and I given after lapping I was able to compensate left channel fully with capacitor, but right channel is still performs pretty poorly. Looks like this head is doomed. I need a replacement. So left channel like keeps in 1 decibel range, and right channel on 10 kilohertz is minus 7 decibel with pretty significant correction. Alright, so I'm quite not sure what's the reason. I need to investigate more. Hey guys, I'm played with correction a little bit more, and currently we have just 2 to 3 decibel loss, and it plays really much better than it was before. So I believe I may also try another tape just for the case, but now we have high frequencies on both channels, and I'm using 330 picofarad in each channel, and looks like resonance frequency gets in the proper position. Now let's see what we will get from this guy. Here, going down, pretty steady. 3, 2, 1, 400. Going up. Really looks good. 5, you see. Almost no change. 7, 8, 9, 10. We have the level -1 decibel. 11, 12. That's the tape, I believe. Yeah. I was testing one of the decks, which unfortunately raised my tape a little bit, so because it was significant drop, as you may see. Let's see again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 decibel in all range. Woohoo! I've got it. Alright, so now let me solder capacitors and we should be good, and I will continue tuning this deck. See you soon. Hey guys, and this is the final test before the finishing with playback amp. So you see it's 2, 1, 400 Hz, and you may see I set the cursors, so you can see that it's not changing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kilohertz. It skips 11. It's my tape. Let me rewind back a little bit. Let's repeat exercise. Going down. Yeah, I have to make a couple new tapes for that. But you see how well it holds phase and the level. So 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 kilohertz. Right channel a little bit lower by 1 decibel, but it's maximum I can get from this deck. That's a good sign. Finally, we have good results. Now, let me listen the audio tape, factory tape I'm using to test all my decks. And if it will be sound fine, then I will tune recording, because I had to retune recording for the bad levels, and now when we have good levels I have retuned it again. See you soon. Okay guys, I was able to tune it. It records well up to 18 kilohertz. On 18 kilohertz it started to wobble amplitude, and I just check it up. Source tape, there is no difference. And here is a calibration. That's how it works. So everything is tuned. Source, tape, everything works pretty nice. Check it all tape types adjusted, so I was able to return back bias. It increases the recording level, so I had to tune recording levels again. then tune bias again, check a couple times, so make sure that everything will be fine, because due to significant under biasing, it was recording pretty poorly. All right, so that would be it for this deck. And that's how you may restore as well. It's you've seen in my other videos I did lapping before for the heads. Nothing changes, same procedure, lap and correct, and you will have a pretty nice deck which records and plays really nice. So see you in my next videos, and bye bye. And here, guys, I decided to record the bonus part. So let's calibrate this tape. It's type 4. Alright, so just a little bit on the level side. Okay, done. Calibrated. So let's record. So let's the source tape half decibel on 400 Hz. Next, let's go to 10 kilohertz and it skips. So 400 Hz, 10 kilohertz, tune it properly. And 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's where it starts a little bit bumpy, right? From the amplitudes. 18, 19, 20. Yeah. That's where it's not shy, but up to 18 kilohertz it's pretty good recorder and very linear. All frequencies recorded are very linear. Okay, so that's just to show you. And it's tape, so source, tape. See how well it goes on the phase perspective. 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Almost pretty. All right. So I make it. It's working. See you guys. Bye bye.